To add a countdown timer in Webflow, start by accessing your account. Simply type Webflow into your search engine. Click on the Login or Sign Up button, and enter your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the All Sites section and click on the Open Designer button. However, before proceeding, visit a widget creator website, such as elfside.com, to create your countdown timer. Sign in, and under the Apps section, find the countdown timer option. Choose a template that suits your needs, such as a Black Friday sale or a simple countdown, and save it. You will then receive a code. Go back to Webflow, click on Add Elements, and find the Embed Code option. You will need an appropriate subscription to use this feature. Drag the embed code to the desired location. Copy the provided code, and paste it. After publishing your site, the countdown timer will be visible. This process allows you to easily create and add a countdown timer to your Webflow site.